Today we are going to start with the parts of speech. Every word in English has got one out of 9 categories. Every word. How many parts of speech? Yes, I know that you are going to say 8 parts of speech. There are actually 9 parts of speech. When you go to the grammar books, you will see 8 parts of speech. Out of 9, one I already taught you. Which one? Articles, right? So a, and, the, all those things also come in a sentence. So there are actually 9, but parts of speeches are 8. You can see every word. So I am going to teach you all the 8 parts of speech today. What is the use of learning parts of speech? It will enhance your writing skills, speaking skills, your grammatical mistakes will be corrected, your vocabulary will be improved. All together, if you say, your English is going to be solid if you know the parts of speech properly. So let us see how many parts of speeches are there, and today I will be teaching you 8 parts of speeches. Okay. Now what happened when you start when some teacher starts teaching you parts of speech, suddenly you will say, "Ha sir, noun." Then you will go to pronoun. Then you will forget here and there out of it. So I am going to teach you in a sequence so that you will not forget this, right? So here the main thing is noun, right? Noun. All of you know what is noun, right? Noun is a naming words. Naming words means name of a person, place, thing, idea, everything are noun. So let us see here. Now when you take an example, see a name, Raj, teacher, Bangalore, cat, table, duster. So you take any name, that is noun. That is clear for you? So we will take first 2 important things. One is noun, the another one is verb. Verbs are action words. Action words means like walk, talk, eat, drink, tell few more. So many are there, okay. But some people may say, "So sleep is verb or not?" It is. There is no action. I sleep like this. It's not that. All these things are verbs. Okay. So you are learnt noun. You learn the verbs. Verbs here are given: walk, talk, run, sleep. Plenty of verbs are there. You must have lot of verbs with you to speak. Okay. Now what we will do? We will connect the noun here. The next one, adjectives. So adjective, what I said, you connect with the noun. That means some connection is with the noun, right? Let's see. See, it is a quality of a noun or it qualifies the noun. If you take Raj is a noun, right? Raj is a tall boy. So what is the quality of him? Tall. Okay. So if you take Bangalore, Bangalore is a nice city. So nice is the adjective. So that is the quality of a noun, or you can say it qualifies the noun. Like handsome, tall, soft, black, even color also. All the qualities are adjectives. Clear? So noun is clear, verb is clear. We started connecting noun to here, that is adjectives. Now we will connect the verb. Add verb. So it has got some connection with the verb. Now see, it shows how the action is done. Verb is what? Verb is action. Now adverb is, it shows how the action is done. Action आपने कैसे किया हुआ है. See, like you can say here, like fast. He walks fast. She sings loudly. Okay. She speaks slowly, softly, briskly. All these things are adverbs. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of briskly? Brisk walk. How many of you walk? All of you walk, right? But when you do brisk walk, it is entirely a different type of walk. Morning people go for exercise. They walk in the same speed. That is brisk walk. Okay? Understood? If you say stroll, what is a stroll? You just go, hold your husband's hand or your hand and walk slowly. That is stroll. Okay, just for an enjoyment. So stroll and brisk, all those things you should remember. Now again we will go with the noun. First what we did, noun, verb, then noun connected here, then verb connected here, then again we are going to connect noun. So this is pronoun. Now I say Priyanka is my student. So noun is what? Priyanka. Now if I say she is my student, what I did? I removed the name of Priyanka. Instead of Priyanka, I use she. Understood? So all those places where you use instead of noun. Noun का जगह पर use करते हो. See, used in place of a noun or instead. Instead means इसका जगह पर in place. Okay, like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, some, any, so many are there. Okay, pronouns. So this is clear. So we connected nouns to adjective, verbs to adverb, again nouns to pronoun. Now we will do one thing. See, here we started with the PR. The next word also we will start with the PR. Why I am teaching you like this? So that you will not forget. Tuck. Noun, verb, connect noun, connect verb, connect noun, then pronoun, then PR again. So here PR when you start, preposition. Preposition. What is it? Preposition. What is the meaning of pre? Pre-degree, degree से पहले. Pre-pond. Exam is pre-pond. Means पहले, कुछ पहले. So here preposition actually it shows the relationship between a noun or a pronoun. So it positions before a noun or a pronoun. Noun या pronoun से पहले use करते हैं और relation बताते हैं उसका. Okay, that is what is prepositions. Okay, or you can say time, place, all those things we can use preposition. Okay, at 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock से पहले हम at use करते हो तो time का जगह पर. Okay, so here you see in, on, at, above, below, across, like that. So many words are the prepositions. Okay, it shows the relation actually. If I ask you where is my marker, it is on the table. On. Okay, what happened? We make lot of mistakes when we use in, on and at. You feel all some similar thing, right? Not to worry, I'll be taking all these one by one separate classes. Today we are learning total number of the parts of speech and what is it. Then again we will go one by one. So preposition I will be taking 2 or 3 classes. Lot of prepositions are there. Suppose किसी ने पूछ लिया आपको गाँव जाने के time, where do you stay nowadays? You are not visible at all. Long time no see. So आप बोलेंगे Bangalore में, मैं मल्लेश्वलिया में वो रहता हूँ. Bangalore मल्लेश्वलिया में कहाँ है? Where do you stay in Malleshwalaya? So you have to say Bangalore, Malleshwalaya, 9th Main, all those things, right? So in, on, at, ये कहाँ लगाएगा? That's a big problem. So that I will be teaching you. So PR से pronoun शुरू कर दिया. PR we started preposition. Now you will have to think conjunction. Conjunction. What is the meaning of junction? Junction connecting, na? Connecting something, right? So here road and railway is not there. English grammar में. Okay, it connects the words of sentences. एक दूसरे को connect करते हैं. If I ask Hina, why are you late? Hina will say, sir, I am late because of traffic. So connect कर दिया. Because. Okay, will you come tomorrow? I will come, sir, but little late. But. So all those things are conjunction where you connect, right? So we have learned 7, right? Without looking to the board, will you be able to tell in your mind? Noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction. Okay, 7 has come. Now let us go to the last but not the least. That is what? Interjection, not junction. Interjection. This is a funny one. Okay, interjection is totally funny. If you remove interjection from the sentence meaning will not change. Okay, Any other parts of speech if you remove, everything will be here and there. But interjection if you remove from a sentence, meaning will be same. Suppose like Virat Kohli is playing on 99, okay, all are waiting, suddenly is out. So you will say, oh, don't use other word, you say only, oh, Virat is out. You remove oh, Virat is out only, right? तो वो रिमूव करेगा तब भी वो आउट ही है. So why we are using interjection? Because they are the sudden expression of your feelings. अंदर से जो feeling आता है, you are expressing that. So many interjections are there. You have to use it very properly. Okay, if Hina is coming in a beautiful red sari, you will say, wow, Hina looks gorgeous, right? Hina, okay. Now wow use kiya. Suppose your neighbor passed away. Can you say, wow, my neighbor passed away? You can't say, right? So you have to be very careful how to use the interjections. At the end of this, I will be giving you two sentences. You have to make the parts of speech. So here we have got wow, ouch. What do you use ouch? Suppose you are walking, suddenly one stone is a tuck, mar diya. Ouch. Don't think grammar and say wow bolu, ouch bolu. Okay. You have to say ouch. Okay. Someone is in the hospital for a long time. Okay. And passed away. What do you use? Alas. Alas, he died. So interjection also is very important. So you are okay with all the 7 parts of speech, 8 parts of speeches here, and one already you learned, articles, right? So this is going to enhance your writing skills, speaking skills, your grammatical mistakes will be corrected, your vocabulary will be improved. So you must know the parts of speeches, right? Clear? Now I'll give you 2 sentences. You have to, it's a homework like, okay? Let's see. A blue balloon drifted over a boy and his dog. Wow, beautiful. So after wow, you have to put an exclamation mark here. Okay. So you have to do what? You have to write like this. A is article. Blue is tuk tuk tuk. All those things you have to write and show me. Is that clear? Parts of which you will never forget now. Right? Yes, done.